And NASA is offering a unique view at Joaquin with their 3D scans. Joining me now is NASA scientist Scott Braun. Good morning, Scott.
Good morning.
Thank you for joining us. First off, I want to ask you what you're seeing with this 3D view of Hurricane Joaquin.
Well, the Global Precipitation Measurement, or GPM mission, was launched a little bit more than a year and a half ago, and it carries some very advanced instruments that allow us to look at rain and snow within storms, layer by layer throughout the storm, sort of like a CAT scan. And in this animation, you're basically seeing a pass over the storm on September 29th, when Joaquin was just a tropical storm. Now, the areas where you see yellow and green represent some of the heavier rain within the storm at low levels, and the blue represents snow and ice that's spreading out near the top of the storm. And in fact, due to the winds around the storm, it was spreading out over the center of the storm at this time, indicative that the winds were kind of keeping the intensification in check, although that certainly changed later on.
Oh yeah, we've seen that storm really intensify over the past 48 hours. Now, how will forecasters and emergency managers use this information?
Well, forecasters and emergency managers can use the GPM data in looking at the storm structure and how that changed with time, which can relate to storm intensity. They can also look at data from the GPM constellation of satellites that can provide instantaneous maps of rainfall around the globe and how that's changing as a function of time. And you can also use that to look at total rainfall accumulations so that you can assess areas that are potentially affected by floods.
We'll certainly be looking at that information, I'm sure, from the Central Bahamas. Well, thank you so much for joining us, Scott. That's all the time we have for today. Of course, I'll have your full forecast coming up in just a few minutes.